In this video, we're going to talk about the two access types you can choose for your AI agent: exclusive and public. Understanding this part is important because these two options serve very different roles. Let's start with exclusive AI agents. An exclusive AI agent is a paid AI agent. This is a subscription-based digital product that people pay for in order to interact with the agent. Here, you define the monthly subscription price and control access to the agent. One powerful option you have is free messages. Free messages allow people to interact with the agent a limited number of times before they're asked to subscribe. For example, you might allow 2, 3, or 4 free messages. This gives people a chance to experience the value of the agent before hitting the paywall. Once they reach that limit, they'll be prompted to subscribe in order to continue the conversation. This approach works well because people are already engaged and understand the value before they pay. It's optional, of course, and you can adjust or disable it based on your use case and audience. Now let's look at public AI agents. A public AI agent is open and accessible. It's designed to help people interact with your business before they pay for anything. While it's not monetized directly, it plays a powerful role in supporting revenue and growth. For example, a public AI agent can help visitors on your website, answer questions from your followers on Instagram or Facebook Messenger, guide people through challenges, or refer users to your digital products, payment links, or other offers you have. In many cases, it becomes a smart layer that supports engagement, trust, and conversions across your business. So to summarize, exclusive AI agents are designed for direct monetization through a paid subscription, while public AI agents support your business and help drive results indirectly. Both are powerful, and choosing the right one depends on your goal. In the next video, we'll move on to the brain of the agent and look at how to choose the AI model that powers it.